Hey guys, welcome back. This is your host Phil from underKG.com, and this is the Mi Pad 4. Xiaomi hasn't been particularly passionate about the tablet market, but here we go with the latest model with the Snapdragon 660 processor built inside. Without further ado, we're gonna go open it up. My favorite part about the new tablet from Xiaomi is that they also come with the LTE model, although the Wi-Fi models do not come with the GPS chipset built inside. So inside the packaging is, of course, the tablet itself. We're going to put it right there, and a little packet containing the SIM card tray / micro SD card tray, removable pin, manual, and the warranty guide. Another thing included is the USB Type-C cable, Type A to Type-C, along with the charger with not exactly a high output. It's 5 volts 2A, so it's 10 watts, and it shouldn't bother you that much since that is how high the tablet accepts. In other words, the device does not support the quick charge technology. And this is the front panel, 8 inches of WXGA resolution. That's 1920 by 1200 pixels. On top, you have 5 megapixels of camera, f2.0. On the right-hand side is the power key with volume rocker. Nothing on top except for the secondary microphone and the standard 3.5mm headphone jack. On the left-hand side is SIM card / micro SD card slot, along with USB Type-C port on the bottom with stereo speaker on the bottom as well. On the rear, we have 13 megapixels of camera, that's f2.0 as well, with the little plastic part right there probably containing antenna inside. And the back panel here is made out of metal, Xiaomi logo, and that's pretty much it. And since it's done booting up, let's go ahead with the setting processes. Here we go, we have 5 different languages. We're gonna choose English. You will see more if we have global roam installed on your device. Unfortunately, we don't have that yet at the time of shooting, so we're just going to proceed with that. Time zone, skip, accept, accept. And we're given a choice between buttons and full screen gestures. Buttons being just traditional buttons, multitasking, home, back, or the other way around if you want to, or the full screen gesture that they introduce with the latest devices. So this is basically just like the iPhone 10 or the Blackberries. You can swipe from the bottom for home, swipe from bottom and hold for multitasking panel, swipe from the left edge or the other side for back. Let's make that panel a little brighter by the little slider there. Turn automatic off. The panel doesn't really look that bright, but you probably wouldn't have many problems because tablets are mostly used indoors. You can change the color temperature, default, warm, cool, or the contrast, increased or standard, or automatic. Along with that, there's tap to wake feature built in. You can see that it has MIUI 9.6 based on Android 8.1 Oreo and security patch of May 5th, 2018. However, the most notable strong suit of the Mi Pad 4 is the price. The base model 3GB with 32GB of storage starts around 1100 Chinese yuan. That's around $170 US. And even the top model with 4GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, and LTE support as well only costs around 1500 Chinese yuan, which translates into $230 US. So I think that's a very nice deal, at least on the paper, and the tab looks pretty good. It looks very solid. The screen doesn't look too bad, although that wallpaper does look strikingly similar. Anyway, we'll get back with the review very soon. This was Mi Pad 4. This is not launched globally yet. They will, hopefully, soon enough. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. You can always meet us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. We'll see you guys later. Ciao.